Well, I took the two connectors, another two, put them together. I'm gonna turn off the power source because I don't want to get hit myself. Not that I'll feel anything, but still, precaution is precaution. Safety is safety. Now what I'm gonna do is roll this, and in the end I'm gonna connect these two parts. Okay, first of all we got this. First of all I gotta clean it. Let's clean the surface first. Second thing, the adhesive.
לא, זה קודם כל תחבר, אחר כך תדביק. זה כבר דבוק לך בצד אחר.
Okay. Connected on this side. No, let's put it the other way around. It's probably better. Yeah, it holds better. Now let's put this side. Good. These two are connected.
תיישר את הכבל, תיישר את הפס, כאילו הדבקת, סלמת כל טוב.
צריך להדביק אותו.
בסדר, אני ידעו את זה שהדבקת. תמתח, שיהיה דבוק.
Now let's glue it. This time I'm gonna glue it like this.